Hi friends, this is Kalyani. Today we will discuss about the recursion. Recursion is a process by which a function calls itself repeatedly until some specified condition has been satisfied. The process is used for repetitive computation in which each action is stated in terms of the previous result. Many interactive problems can be written in this form. In order to solve a problem recursively, two conditions must be satisfied. First, the problem must be written in recursive form, and second, the problem statement must include a stopping condition. Here see, this is the form of the recursion. Here I have created one function. Here I have called that function. Again, this function, the function has defined here, and again that function is called here. In this way, whenever this function is necessary, the function is called repetitively. This process is called recursion. This function calls any number of times. The process of calling the function repetitively is called recursion. Suppose this is the example for recursion. Suppose, for example, we wish to calculate the factorial of the positive integer quantity. We would normally express the problem as n factorial equal to 1 into 2 into and so on n, where n is the specified positive integer. However, we can also express this problem in another way by writing n factorial equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. This is the recursive statement of the problem in which the desired action is expressed in terms of the previous result. Also, we can now 1 factor equal to 1. Definition. This last expression provides a stopping condition for recursion. Here I have created one function, that is int factorial into n. If n is less than or equal to 1, return 1. Else return n factorial equal to factorial n minus 1. Here the use of the recursion is not necessary. The best way to approach the problem, even though the problem decision may be recursive in nature, a non-recursive implementation may be more than efficient in terms of the memory utilization and execution speed. Here, we have to calculate the factorial of a one number. By calling the factorial int n repetitively, we can calculate the factorial value. Here, if the n equal to less than or equal to 1, return 1. That is, if n is negative value or equal to 1 value, then we have to return 1. Otherwise, this condition has to check, and this condition has to check, and you have to print the factorial of the n. That is n into factorial n minus 1. Here n is more than 1. Up to this condition is satisfied, the factorial is this function is repetitively called until the factorial of the n is satisfied. This is the form of the recursion. This is the example of the recursion. Form of the recursion means here function has declared and here function called. Again that function is again defined here. The function is again called. In this way, calling a function many number of times is called recursion. Have you understood the whole topic? Please subscribe my channel. Please like my channel. Please share my channel. Thank you.